Jammers, it's Red8120 here. And today, I'm going to tell you all about new updates. So here's the Jamal Journal. Pet foxes, the sunken foxes, baby foxes. What? Opossums, Raglan, Crabberama, and Treasure Hunter. So I guess all of those updates, and now let me show them to you. I got Seabuddy, my mini pet fox. Adopted new pet. So here's proof pet foxes are down here. And I only wait. What in the world? I have 26 sapphires. Oh, come on! I was only supposed to have 16. I was only supposed to have 6 jam. So I'm a member. And second update is the token pet ice ball. Whoops! That is my personal settings. It's $3.99 and here it is. It has 3. And sorry about my sapphire and thing. Sorry about my thing. So now it's time to check out update 3 on our list. Opossums. So here are the opossums. And I'm sorry about all the background noise, cause I'm in my room where it's always noisy. And this update on our list where the treasure hunt. Here it is. Now it's time to play it. I have 12 kinds of animals. This was mine. I hope you liked this video. Next is the pack one run Crabberama. My pack is foxing around so I could go on pack runs. And let me show you the beach run. Am I allowed to put pack runs on my videos? I mean, it's the only thing I could do. So look for a telegram. Here. And here's update. And here's update 76. Here's update 87.0.1. I hope you enjoyed, Jammers. Bye-bye. And yes, once again, all the colors are off now.